Hi, hello my friends, it's Nina and I live in a mess. I am in desperate need of a makeover, a desk makeover. This setup actually looks really cute and I'm also matching some things on my desk. But anyway, for this video, I am going to be doing a very much needed desk makeover. So it's actually been a while since I've done anything to my room. My last room tour, room makeover was well over 8 months ago. And since then, I haven't done anything new to my room, but I am in need of some change because I barely have a workspace anymore. But this is my workspace here. This is my desk. I have an L-shaped desk. I basically put two desks together and whoa! The sound that just came out of me. Whoa. I am going to stick with this sort of setup, but I'm just going to change what's on it. So I don't think there's anything else I have to explain. Let's just get right into it. This way. Okay, new angle. So as you can see, we have a lot going on, but at the same time, nothing going on. I have a lot of stuff, but I don't use 90% of it. It's mostly here just so I have something to look at. Otherwise, there's no real storage system going on. Nothing really has a place, and I'm tired of it. This area is very hard to reach, and I don't touch anything here. So I'm going to see what I can do about the section. I don't really have a plan for this video. I'm winging it, as I usually do, but I always come up with something in the end. I find that if I make a plan, I don't really pull through anyway, so I'd rather not give myself that pressure and I just figure it out as we go, because that is a good way to approach life, just going with the flow. At least for me as an INFP. This is actually going to be a lot of work. Hopefully I'm caffeinated enough. I have been downing this iced coffee. Hopefully we should be fine with energy. But my biggest issue right now is my little makeup section. Here is a close-up of what I've been living with. I bought this little drawer unit that I have to build. Hopefully that won't break any nails because my nails are very long right now. This is probably the longest my nails have ever been. So hopefully I don't break them. The goal of mine, not to break a nail. Knock on wood. But let's get started with the desk makeover. I probably have to get off this chair now. Also, throughout this video, I will try to link some of my favorite things down below. If I forget to talk about it, it's probably in the description. Hi, welcome to my floor. This is literally the only area that is kind of clean. This little area here. I look so sad. I'm overwhelmed. I am also thinking of doing a room makeover in the future, but I am also going to Korea soon, so I have no time. I'm just going to have to come back to a huge mess. But hopefully my desk looks cute. But I am going to finally build this thing here. I got this recently from IKEA. Oh my god, this is very heavy. So I got the Alex drawer unit, and I'm going to replace 2 of my desk legs with this. So let's open this bad boy. Ooh, I think in the meantime I'm going to charge. Oh, that didn't hurt. I have a drill. I think it works. Just emptying that took a lot out of me, but we move forward. I finally found the instructions. I'm going to clean up my space a little bit. Pretty. I have LED strips going along my desk, which I'm leaving as well. Let's get started. Low-key, I might wear these gloves. Let's just take it slowly. Yay. Go anywhere you want to. Underneath the pressure, sometimes wish I knew it too. Fly away from tomorrow. One shelf done, 4 more to go. I'm gonna breeze through this. So much more storage. I can hide so many things in here. I'm excited. Whoa, I haven't seen it this empty in so long. So everything is shoved away to the side. Time to take off these legs. Opening a window is so dusty in here. 2 legs are off. And here it is. Oh, I'm so tired. Now I'm gonna shove everything in there. Okie dokie. Artichoke. Oh, this is a nice view too. It is currently 8 p.m. Remember when I had bangs for like 2 days? Now I just resorted to side bangs. I cannot deal with forehead bangs. Next thing on the agenda is shoving stuff in a lot of places. So I got this box, a storage box. It's the white one. Same thing as this one right here. Wow. Ta-da! I have this little cloud X-Acto knife. I'm not gonna risk hurting my nails. All set up. What if I placed 6 on top of each other? Honestly, not a bad idea. I'm so lost. I'll figure this out. I really don't know what to do now. Okay, so I haven't had proper storage in a while that I forgot to get compartments to divide these drawers up. I don't have time to wait though, so I'm just going to carefully place everything. I'm gonna make this shelf dedicated to my makeup. Probably make this shelf dedicated to electronics. So the other thing that I got from IKEA is a desktop stand. I've been wanting a desktop stand for so long, just to raise my view a little bit, add a little more storage, and here she is. So this is the L-oven. So it comes with this little shelf. I didn't realize that there were little compartments, as you can see here. I think this is a great addition. So I can actually store my supplies here. Sweet. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, yes. Now I'm going to place this under my desktop. Moment of truth. My desktop is kind of heavy. Lord, oh my goodness, it's heavy. Oh, I'm scared. Why is it so heavy? Maybe I'm just weak. Sweet. Whoa, that is high up. Oh, it's beautiful. I wanted this for so long. Oh yes, this is just what I needed. Oh, is this how high up it's supposed to be? Do you see this? Do you see this right now? I just wish this was faster so that I can edit on it. But that's okay. Maybe I can use it as just a monitor if that's possible somehow. She is beauty, she is grace. I'm so happy. Oh, and then I could put this under. There's an area for the cord. There we go. It's the perfect height so I can hide my keyboard. My posture has already improved. I definitely recommend that you guys get a desktop stand. This is revolutionary. So I have my headphones that I always use to edit, and I never have a proper place for them. But there's this compartment right here that is the perfect size. Oh! Perfect. I've got my little baby sketchbook. This is where I like to doodle. I'm gonna stick this in here. And here is the final desk setup. I was already 80% of the way done with my desk setup, but there was just a lot missing, a lot that I wanted to take out, and it didn't feel complete yet. So now I feel like with my storage, something's taken out, something's added, and a nice ergonomic desktop stand, I feel like my work from home desk setup is finally pretty much how I want it. But here is my main work area. We've got a nice desk pad. It's long, it's fabric, and it's a nice grip. Got my mouse, it's a wireless mouse. I charge it when I need to. A little cute Sakura coaster. Got my little Bluetooth speaker here. Very cute. This is my mic that I use to record videos. And here I added paper holders. I used to use these and then I put them away for a few months and then I brought them back because I actually want to store things in here. So I've got my planner, got a notebook, extra notebook, and I've got my iPad and my iPad stand. So whenever I want to draw, it's right here. And then if I want to put it away, I have a proper place for it instead of putting it on the floor. And then there's my water bottle. Here is my desktop, my iMac. It stands on this desktop stand from IKEA. And then under we've got my keyboard. It is currently off. This turns on if I have my iMac on as well, but I shut down everything because it's 3 a.m. This is my keyboard. It feels very nice. Here I've got a catch-all tray. This is from Daiso. It's got a nice soft pink color and my favorite jewelry pieces. These are my earrings that I designed with LUISA. Got a hoop with heart charm. And then this is my necklace that I made with LUISA as well. Just my favorite jewelry pieces here so I can look at it. And then I've got my timer. This is what I use to time how much I work. Nice to have. It's pink as well. As you can tell, my favorite color is a light pink. And then I've got post-its here, also in some of my favorite colors, pink, purple, light blue. And then I have a nice quote here, done is better than perfect. I stand by this. I need to remember this. Here I have my phone stand. I've got some toothpicks back there, markers, pens, all the good stuff. Got my laptop stand, my laptop, and just this area here, it's a little bright. Still pretty much visual, but back there I do keep some extra supplies around, and I have my Nintendo Switch. Haven't played this in a really long time, and just some extra decor to make me happy. Got another speaker, neon light, little stuffed plushies, my painting there, more things to look at. I rearranged my posters just to make things feel a little bit different. More neon lights, more prints. Got this speaker, another catch-all tray, jewelry. Got some of my perfumes here. This little drawer thing. It's got just some extra stuff. Lots of candy here. Stickers. This little mouse pad, just in case I ever need it. Just carrying some camera batteries. Camera. That's me right there. My mirror is so dirty. You guys remember that this was full of clutter. It is now perfectly clean. Nothing is here. Everything is shoved in here or nicely placed in here. Got my LED light remote, mirror, catch-all tray of jewelry. I emptied this of old makeup, so now it's completely empty. And I intend to put just everyday makeup and extras in here. But since I am traveling soon, I am going to just keep everything in this bag. This is my everyday makeup, all fit into this little bag. This is my essentials pouch for my bag. I just throw this into whatever bag I'm carrying. It's just because I am going to travel soon that they're just going to sit here. Then we've got my makeup brushes. I think this is a decent place for it to stay. Hand sanitizer, a big bottle of it. I like to refill my hand sanitizer when I go out. And I use this cute box to hold a big box of Kleenex tissues. And what's in here is not too interesting, but I'll just show you anyway. Got some extra makeup here. Let me know if you want a makeup collection video. This is not properly organized. I want to get those little compartments, things like that. And this is not my full collection, but I've been having fun collecting makeup, trying different things. And then here we've got electronics, random stuff, extra little screws and stuff for my furniture. Got my passport here and just all the goods there. These drawers are kind of very messy, so I'm not going to go through them, but these two drawers I showed you because why not? But that is pretty much it for my new desk setup. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm so tired. My makeup lasted pretty well. That is the end of this desk makeover. We have finally reached the end and I'm so satisfied with how everything turned out. I have much better storage. I took out some things that were not necessary anymore and I think my desk is a tiny bit more cute. My desk setup was already 80% of the way there. I wasn't going to make too many changes, but at the same time it was missing a lot. So now I feel like my desk setup is more what I want, what I need, and I'm very happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope maybe it gave you some ideas. I hope this was just a fun time. I am very excited to work here again. Everything is nice and clean. Everything is put away. Everything just has a place now. And I have more storage for future things to come. But that is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. We're bringing it in as always. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, my friends.